Hello everyone and welcome to Investing Guide. As crypto starts to stabilize after the global pandemic, many new digital coin assets are set to really take over the space. Coins like XRP, Litecoin and Cardano are rumored by some to see a huge upswing across the coming financial year. Of all the bullish estimates and analysis across the sector, perhaps the predictions regarding Cardano can be considered the most exciting and will perhaps see the largest growth. Compared to the news surrounding the XRP court case and the impressive partnerships for Litecoin, what has Cardano got in store for investors? Perhaps this is what makes the rumored potential of a secret explosion to the Cardano Ada token so exciting. From talks of a Tesla deal to exciting new technologies and implementations, the Cardano team has left a trail of hints for investors, and the surrounding financial landscape seems to be perfect for the Ada token. You've joined us at the perfect time as we take a very close and unflinching look at Cardano. From Tesla deals, an inverse relationship with Bitcoin, to strategic partnerships. We've sifted through a lot of information, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video because you're not going to want to miss out on what has led many investors to discuss the potential of an upcoming explosion of Cardano and the Ada token. Crypto is currently on a bit of a hold. Not technically in a bear market, but the bull run was definitely interrupted with the sudden and unexpected decision by Elon Musk to stop accepting Tesla payments in Bitcoin. Controversial statements by the Tesla CEO, sure. But why is it that Cardano Ada token reached record highs despite the extremely bearish market? The fact that the Ada token reflected a positive coin price despite the globally suffering crypto markets is a fantastic sign for the future of Cardano, and certainly leads itself to this theory that a secret explosion of the digital asset could be coming. Although the rest of the crypto market is no longer as heavily hinged on the trading price of Bitcoin as it used to be, the clear ups and downs of Bitcoin, the gold standard of crypto, can be seen rippling throughout the entire world of cryptocurrency. But the recent behavior of Cardano, despite the falling Bitcoin prices, has many investors and analysts asking whether Cardano will actually flow against the trend of Bitcoin, and if so, what that means for the digital asset and the company. Although Cardano is yet to reach Ethereum levels of approval, investors have noted that the Ada token is one of the fastest coins to surpass the $1 mark. Cardano has performed in a comparatively more stable fashion in relation to most other crypto assets. Although from a stable coin, the performance of the Ada token until recently has been reasonably predictable. The token asset, Ada, maintains a respectable total market capitalization of around $42 billion. Currently hovering towards the $3 mark, and future predictions for the coin as low as $100 but as insanely high as $1,000. But if Cardano sees this rumored secret Ada token explosion, what could that mean for potential investors? Considering the current price of the coin, this is a perfect time to buy before the boom, but what exactly validates these claims? But Cardano is smaller in comparison to Bitcoin? How can it compare after this rumored explosion? For now, sure, but Cardano was also designed with a focus on scalability and the ability to run more transactions per second. Bitcoin may be one of the most volatile crypto assets yet, still maintaining a market capitalization of around $700 billion. But the imminent collapse of Bitcoin is said to be fast approaching. In fact, as we slowly remove our dependency on fossil fuels, the sheer cost of Bitcoin mining will keep rising. As soon as we reach a point where this is no longer financially feasible, well, then we're going to have to purchase expensive computer hardware and run mining machines 24/7. These highly unstable aspects of the offering are making it less and less attractive for prospective institutional investors. Considering the fact that Cardano is a reasonably newer currency, the Cardano team has maintained a strong focus on innovating in the rapidly emergent crypto space. In fact, the sheer level of tech and impressive plans that Cardano has for its ecosystem has analysis labeling the offering as a third-generation cryptocurrency. From the early days, Cardano has taken a close look at both Bitcoin and Ethereum, whilst maintaining design principles with a strong focus on scalability, interoperability, and regulatory compliance. Right now, Cardano is more flexible and faster in relation to Bitcoin, whilst remaining safer and more scalable than Ethereum. What is truly the biggest advantage that Cardano has right now? Why is it that this secret explosion of the Ada token is said to be rocking the crypto world? Looking back, one of the main reasons behind Musk abandoning the Tesla support of Bitcoin was the sheer energy inefficiency of the cryptocurrency. operating on the outdated proof-of-work model. Bitcoin is becoming extremely energy inefficient to run, completely opposed to the core ideals behind Tesla and Musk. Cardano, on the other hand, was designed to be as eco-friendly and energy efficient as possible. Perhaps this is the greatest benefit to Cardano as an investment opportunity. But before we really get into it, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment down below, and definitely hit that subscribe button. The fact that Cardano is arguably the most eco-friendly and energy-efficient digital asset in the crypto space is perhaps its greatest advantage. This is certainly what has made the offering so attractive to Elon Musk, to a point that the Tesla CEO actually has a history of communicating with the Cardano founder, Charles Hoskins. Unfortunately, many cryptocurrencies can be very heavy in regards to their raw energy consumption. Although we may not be cutting down trees to print paper money, the sheer amount of electricity and computing power that goes into validating Bitcoin, for example, is ridiculous. The latest figures reveal that Bitcoin consumes a whopping 115.85 terawatts of energy per year. This is comparable to the entire nation of Norway. Now, put that into comparison with Cardano, that only consumes 6 gigawatt hours per year of use. That is less than 0.01% of the energy consumed by Bitcoin. Perhaps the biggest distinction between Cardano and most blockchain offerings is the usage of peer-reviewed research as the building blocks for its updates. There is no in-house conceptual thinking or planning. The Cardano team is looking at legitimate, published, and academically accepted results as a blueprint for future plans. This is arguably the main cause of the delay of the Cardano network implementing the most innovative new features across crypto. With a basis of proof of stake, the introduction of smart contracts should otherwise be simple and further increase ADA token price. It has been announced that smart contracts shall be hitting the Cardano ecosystem in the upcoming year, and will undoubtedly push the offering to radical new heights. The implementation of these new systems, as well as the flaws in pre-existing ones, are currently being assessed from a legal standpoint. Crypto has previously existed in a very murky and obscure grey area of the law, strife with scams and untrustworthy offerings. The recent XRP and SEC court case has forced many teams to take a closer look at their projects. Interestingly enough, Charles Hoskinson has kept regulatory compliance at the forefront of his mind during the creation of Cardano. He's gone on record stating that the implementation of a regulatory framework is vital, further citing the ignorance and lack of understanding that most national governments are treating the cryptocurrency space is soon drawing to an end. Unfortunately, Hoskinson does believe that there is a total market crash looming in the future that is set to echo throughout the crypto space. Nations such as El Salvador have begun to wholly accept Bitcoin as legal tender across the planet. The creation of Cardano, with that transparency and sheer respect for regulatory legality in mind, bodes well for the future of the currency. The coin price of Cardano has never fazed Charles Hoskinson or the Cardano team. Hoskinson has always maintained superior technology and innovative business model as the most important factors behind Cardano. This is his life work. And upon the rumored secret explosion of Cardano Ada, it appears as though this incoming success is set to change the world and its financial landscape, rather than just net investors some profitable returns. As to whether Cardano will be hitting those bullish $100 or $1,000 predictions remains to be seen, but considering the level of rumor alongside the current financial landscape, it certainly does seem that Cardano has many considerations in its favor. Alongside the superior proof-of-stake system, the ever-growing amount of products on the Cardano ecosystem, the impressive performance of Cardano in relation to a faltering Bitcoin, and the many direct interactions between Cardano and Tesla CEO Elon Musk, Cardano is legitimately considered a part of the new wave of cryptocurrencies. So perhaps the secret explosion of the Cardano Ada is not as big of a secret as we initially thought. Thanks for watching. While you're here, check out these two videos on your screen.